Batsman Sukesha. What an excellent delivery. Outside the far away off temper. Wide call by the umpire Hamdan. Back to back. Wide delivery from John Raja. Score was up to 2 on the border. John Raj, second time in this over, facing Sukesha. What an excellent delivery from John Raj, appealing for the caught behind. There's a huge appeal. It's a dot ball. John Raj, third time in this over, facing new batsman Sukesha. What excellent shot from Sukesha into the covers point region. It's a 4. What excellent shot from Sukesha. Driving to the covers area. First boundary of the innings. The name of Sukesha Shete. It was a classy shot from Sukesha because he's using the power play. It's like a paradise of the batsman. John Raj, fourth time in this over. To the mid-on region, fielder under it, 1 run easily completed. Score moves up to 7 on the board. Facing first time Mithin. John Raj, fifth time in this over, facing Mithin. He's facing first delivery. What an excellent cut shot. There is a misfielding from the fielder. New batsman Laksha. Right-handed batsman. What an excellent shot from Laksha. The long off region. Fielder under it. 1 run easily completed. Trying for the second. 2 run completed. No ball call by the umpire. No ball call by the umpire. 1+2. 3 run added to the total. Score moves up to double figure 10. Is it a free hit? Okay. It's a free hit. Second time is over. To batsman Laksha. What an excellent shot from Laksha. Deep mid wicket. Fielder on right. 1 run completed. Trying for the second. 2 run easily completed by the batsman. Score moves up to 12 on the board. Renu, third time in this over. Facing Laksha. What an excellent shot from Laksha to the long on region. A fielder on it. Only 1 run added to the total. Score moves up to 13 on the board. Last 3 ball remaining is over. Renu, fourth time is over. Facing left-handed batsman Krish. Score moves up to 13 on the board. Last 3 ball remaining is over. Fourth time is over. Far away. Outside the leg stump. Wide call by the umpire Kishore. Wide call by the umpire. Score moves up to 14 on the board. The catch out. caught behind. Excellent catch from wicket keeper. Batsman Krish walking back to pavilion. Last ball of the second over. Score moves up to 14 on the board. Rakesh, second time is over. What excellent delivery from Rakesh to the deep covers point. Fielder on right, only one run added to the total score, moves up to 23 on the board. Rakesh, third time is over. Facing Kamat. What an excellent delivery from Rakesh. Batsman completely beaten. This is the second call for Rangers versus Concept Warriors. I request both the team players need to visit commentary box. What an excellent fielding from the fielder from the long on region. 2 run easily completed. Score moves up to 25 on the board. What excellent shot to leg side region. 1 bounce, 2 bounce. It's a 4. 2 bounce into the fans for 4. Score moves up to 29 on the board. What excellent delivery from Ratisha. What a fielding there from deep covers fielder. Score moves up to 31. Second ball of the fourth over. Facing Kamata. What an excellent shot from Kamata. Deep cover fighter. Into the fence for 4. Score moves up to 35 on the board. Still they require 30 runs from 10 balls. 10 ball, 30 run required. Ratish, third time is over. Facing Kamata. Ratisha, third time is over, facing Kamata. What an excellent shot from Kamata. Deep mid wicket for the 6. What a player, Kamata. Legends are playing like a youngsters. Score moves up to 41 on the board. Still they require 24 runs from remaining 9 balls. Slow delivery from Ratish. Last 2 balls remaining over. Score moves up to 41. Fifth time is over. Ratish to Kamata. For an excellent shot for the deep cover. Excellent fielding from the fielder. Only 1 run added to the total score moves up to 42. I request players of Rangers versus Concept Warriors, please come near the commentary box. All the players for both the team. Players of Rangers to join your teams as soon as possible. Last ball of the 4th over. What excellent bowling from Ratish. There's an appeal for a stamp. No, says umpire Ratish. This is the last call for Rangers versus Concept Warriors. Players, please come near the commentary box. All the players. Karn is the last over to deliver. I request both the team Concept Warriors, team Rangers, please come to the commentary box, all the players. Score moves up to 41. 6 balls, 24 run required. 6 balls, 24 run required. First ball of the 5th over. Karn is a bowler facing Kamata. Six ball, 24 run required. What an excellent delivery from Karn. Batsman Kamata completely beaten. 5 ball to go, 24 run required. Karn second time is over. Excellent shot from Kamata. Out. Outside the park for 6. There was a chance of catch out, but there was a misfielding for the fielder. 4 ball, 18 run required. 4 to go, 18 required. Score moves up to 47 on the board. Third time is over. Facing Kamat. Ball running to the third man region. Fielder running behind the ball. 2 run easily completed. Trying for the third. No says strike batsman Kamat. Only 2 run added to the total. Score moves up to 50. Half century. What excellent shot from Kamat. Long off reach in the fielder under it. Only 1 run added to the total. Score moves up to another overthrow. 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 3 run added to the total. Score moves up to 53. 12 required from 2 balls. 2 balls, 2 6 required. Laksh is facing the ball. Karan is a bowler. What an excellent shot from Laksh. There was a misfield, only 1 run added to the total. Score moves up to 54. 1 ball, 11 run required. 1 ball, 11 run required. Rangers, this is a final call for you. All the players, please come near commentary box.
ನೋಡಿ ರೇಂಜರ್ಸ್ ತಂಡದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಟಗಾರರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೀಕ್ಷಕರನ್ನ ಕೊಠಡಿಯ ಮುಂಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಎದುರಾಳಿ ತಂಡ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಎರಡೂ ತಂಡದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಟಗಾರರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇ ಪಂದ್ಯವಿದೆ. ಫೈನಲ್ಗೆ ಲಗ್ಗೆಯಿಟ್ಟ 2 ಬಲಿಷ್ಠ ತಂಡಗಳೇ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಸಾಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಫೈನಲ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೇನೋ ಕ್ಷಣಗಳಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು 2 ತಂಡಗಳಾಗಿ ಮಿಸಬೇಕು.
So that will be tossing ceremony for the final match of BPL Season 4 2025. The match will be played between both the top teams of this tournament. That's Concept Warriors and Team Rangers, who are qualified for the finals of BPL Season 4, which is Devesh Alva Memorial. So we are come to the finals of BPL Season 4. Also, I would like to request the guests of honor, Dr. Guru Kiran, Mr. Praveen Shetty, the President of UAE Bunts, Mr. Gunashil Shetty, Mr. Prem Shetty, the Vice President of UAE Bunts, Mr. Sajan Shetty, Mr. Dinesh Shetty Kotinja, Mr. Ratnakar Shetty, Mr. Sundar Shetty, Mr. Uday Shetty from Rangers, Mr. Pradeep Shetty from Concept Warriors, Mr. Praveen Shetty of Varaharupa, Mr. Sharath Shetty of Somarasa Warriors, Mr. Vidyananda Shetty of Vidwan Boys, Mr. Roshan Jyoti Shetty of ATS, and Reshma Alva of Pioneer. I request all the guests to join us into the crease for recognizing both the finalists, also for the toss. I would like to request the guests to join us again. Mr. Gurukiran, Mr. Dr. Gurukiran, the Praveen Shetty, the President of UAE, Premnath Shetty, the Vice President of UAE Bunts, Mr. Gurshil Shetty, Mr. Sajan Shetty, Mr. Sundar Shetty, Mr. Dinesh Shetty Kotinja, Mr. Ratnakar Shetty, Mr. Shetty from Rangers, Mr. Pradeep Shetty from Concept Warriors, Mr. Praveen Shetty, the team owners of Varaharupa, the Sharat Shetty of Somarasa Warriors, Mr. Vidyananda Shetty of Vidwan, Mr. Roshan and Jyoti Shetty of ATS, and Reshma Alva from Pioneer. I request all the guests to join us inside the ground for the toss and recognizing all the finals players here. Also, I request all the officials of this tournament join us into the crease here. The officials of this BPL Season 4 tournament, please join us into the crease here. Suryakant, Pradeep, Vishwakant. All the guests are here. First, the guests are shaking hands with the players of our Concept Warriors, Mr. Pradeep Shetty, Mr. Shivananda, Pratap, Niketan, Sanu Shetty, Samarth, Rohit, Mithun, Tushar, Dhanraja, Pavan, Chetan, Mitesh. Congratulations, Team Concept Warriors, for qualifying for the finals. Also, we have with us here Rangers team captain Shiv Prasad Shetty, who is introducing his players to the guests here. Right after this, we will be doing a tossing ceremony here for the finals of BPL Season 4 2025. The match will be played between the two top teams of this tournament. That's Concept Warriors and Rangers. Will be battling for the stunning trophy. Will be called the champions of BPL Season 4, the winning team from here. I request both the captains to join us for the toss, along with the guests and organizing committee here. But the captains Shiva Prasad and the coin will be flipped in the air for the final time in this tournament. The call for the toss. The Concept Warriors captain will call for the toss. Gurukiran will flip the coin in the air. Head is the call. And tail it is Team Rangers captain has won the toss and waiting for the decision. Congratulations, Shiva. Yeah. So what's the strategy for this match? Any changes in the playing 11?
No. Engo same team Gobondula. Dala changes iji. So already when you match engo soda. So tuka dada final. Let's see.
I'd like to say he's feeling a bit of pressure here. I would like to call the Kirtan, the captain of please come just say some words about this tournament as well.
ಎಂಗಲ್ ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಅದ ಎಂಕಲು ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗ ಕಮ್ಮಿಡು ಬೇಗ ಚೇಸ್ ಮಲ್ಲೆಜ್ಜಿ
Same, our strength is bowling. We will bowl, keep line and length, and continue to play like that.
Thank you so much. That's the news from the center. Team Rangers has won the toss and elected to bat first. I request of the fielding team to get ready for the fielding as quickly as possible. Also, I request both the opening batsmen of Team Rangers to enter the ground. We have to finish this match within 45 minutes of time.
This is a high voltage match. Both the teams are need the victory to get some points in the points table of the beautiful tournament that is organized by Pioneer Marine presents Bunts Premier League Season 4. In the memory of Devesh Alva, wonderful tournament we have seen after the innovation. We have had a wonderful match in the ground number 1. Umpire, please see the walkie-talkie. The person, organizer person is speaking with you. The bowler name. Why should the bowler is going to start the first inning for now? In the friends, batting area. The man, Mr. Nishan Shetty, the man in the striker region. With this part in the non-striker area, Mr. Sharat, the man crossing now by bowling right arm over the wicket. High voltage match is being commenced over the Bunts Premier League 2025. The first delivery. One top delivery is directly to the hands of the keeper, but the keeper is one more. They were not having a perfect connection. In the form of a leg by. Umpire has called a select by. With the leg by, one run has been added to the side totals. With there is a single in the form of a leg by. They have opened their back account. In the form of the bat. The form of a single. And now with the striker in the rotation of strike, we can see the Mr. Sharat, the man in the striker region now, facing the bowler, Mr. Vaishak. One top delivery, wonderful piece of chance for another. See whether it is a call for the penalty here. The fielder is making the mistake. Jersey number 24 is a man having the chance for taking the wicket. Unfortunately, due to some slight urgency, he could not find the ball in his hand. With that slight misfielding, we could not see any big stroke, but easy singles, rotation of strike, we could see by both the batsmen. Still, the bowler is very well experienced. Wonderful pace of a bowling spell we have seen from the bowler Vaishak. Now third time, now slower one delivery, but now in the same place. But now here, fielder is not making any mistake. The protection is there in a cover area. Still, power play is still in the progress now. Batsman must make first utilize of the power play. We'll see what will be the power play score by the batsman. Here he goes, but unfortunately, this is one line and length bowling performance from the bowler of Navachet friends. Wonderful in his bowling performance. He is not making any mistake. What a piece of bowling performance. This is a good start for the team. Navachet friends. The bowler is very experienced over here. The fourth ball already has been bowled. The scorecard has jumped towards a 3 on the board. What a good start for the team. But still, the bat first innings has been not done. Still, the match is not done. We'll see what will happen. What will the total they will be given for the team Navachet friends. Again, one top delivery. The ball is traveling. We'll see it will be the first wicket. Yes, it is. What a judgment. What a judgment by the fielder. Previously, the fielder was slight miss in his fielding performance, but the judgment was clear. The judgment was up to the mark. The bowler was capable enough to bowl the perfect line and delivery as well as perfectly taken by the fielder from the covers. He moved towards the long on area to pick the catch, and the first breakthrough has been come. The dangerous man. Sharat, the man is walking back to pavilion. The man who is going to replace Mr. Sharat, the dangerous man in the last first league match he has played in the ground number 2. We have seen witnessed a wonderful piece of batting performance by him. We'll see what he will do. The jersey number 9. Still one more delivery in progress. 3 on the board with the losing one valuable wicket. A good start for the